There is now more controversy brewing between the Reggae Girlz and the Jamaica Football Federation JFF. This as one of the directors of the JFF is crying foul over what she calls an embarrassing encounter during their pre-World Cup camp, which came to an end on Monday. It was a trip made possible courtesy of the Ministry of Sport, where the Reggae Girlz were given a day out to Duns River Falls. As in-sports officers, Elaine Walker-Brrown and a colleague were given duty as chaperones for the day by the ministry. But things took a turn after a talk with coach Lorne Donaldson when they arrived at the hotel where the team was staying in New Kingston.
And when I went over, he said to us, to both of us, that he was told that if any one of us come on the bus, if the two of us come on the bus, the girls are going to come off the bus because of what is happening with the JFF and the Reggae Girlz.
But even after explaining the reason to travel with the girls, Walker-Brrown found no favour and was left behind.
So she said to him that we are from the institution, the ministry. And he turned to her and said, okay, you can go on the bus, but Mrs. Brown cannot go on the bus because of what is happening with the players and the federation.
However, Walker-Brrown says she doesn't believe the reason given for her not to travel on the bus had anything to do with the girls.
This has no member of the Reggae Girlz has disrespect me. No player has ever from the Reggae Girlz. We have never ever had any confrontation. Me and no member of the team.
So who is to be blamed? Walker-Brrown says, ask the messenger.
Who told me that?
The coach told you?
The coach told me. So if we're going to deal with anybody, it's the coach.
And she promised that you haven't heard the last of it.
Yes, it was a bit embarrassing. You understand me? And it's not going to go down that way. I am a director of the Jamaica Football Federation. I have served women's football for 32 years.
She did say, however, that one thing is for sure.
I don't accept apology.
The Reggae Girlz are preparing for this summer's FIFA Women's World Cup to be held jointly by Australia and New Zealand from July 20 to August 20.